Hey, are you looking for the perfect background music for your video? Are you tired of the same old stock songs? Not to mention, you gotta make sure that you have the rights to use the song. I'll show you exactly how I find modern music for the videos that I make, plus sound effects and even video, coming up. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys, aka Preach, and we give real advice for real life. Hopefully, you can learn from my many mistakes. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on faith, on how-tos, on marriage, and online business. So check them out. The purpose of this channel is to discuss and improve real ministry, worship, and preaching. But we also offer online courses, coaching, and even church consultations. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying this, and it helps us make more videos like this. As our free gift for stopping by, we wanted to hook you up with our free gift, a PDF and mini course called the Sermon Outline Guide, which will help you never get stuck on your sermon again. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now, let's get into it. I want to introduce to you a program called Soundstripe. It's an awesome place to find royalty-free music for your videos. I use it all the time for making my videos. Maybe I'm looking for some high energy music for a short promo video, or I'm looking for a longer song that feels more epic for a longer promo video. Maybe I need a new sermon series video. We've got a video on how you can make your own sermon intro videos, or maybe I use it for a baptism video. And don't forget videos like a sermon recap or summary. The main features include unlimited music downloads, which they say they have over 200,000 songs to choose from. I haven't counted yet. But they've also got sound effects and videos that you can choose from. As far as the performance and how the program works, it's awesome. It's super smooth and easy to use for anyone. In fact, I don't think I've ever had any problems with it. Just click on music, click on mood, and choose however you want to make people feel. Fun, happy, inspiring. Or check out some of the characteristics like dancey or epic or upbeat. Hit search and then push play on the top song and give it a listen. Just work your way down through the list until you find exactly what you're looking for. Hey, can I stop you right there? And if you're getting value out of this video, will you like it and subscribe to our channel? That helps support us and lets us keep making videos just like this. As far as the quality, I love the music that you can choose from. There are all sorts of different styles, but what I find is that the music is always fresh and they continue to add to it. One of my favorite features, and the one that I use all the time, is that you can choose the music you want based on the feel. Or maybe you want to choose the type of music, or the type of instrument that's used, or even the tempo. As far as pricing, it ends up being about $10 a month if you do the yearly subscription, and about $20 a month if you want to include videos as well. Compared to other programs and products, it's about the same, or really even on the more affordable end. I've got another comparison video coming up on how to find the best stock video. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. And hey, if you're looking to improve your video ministry, you might be looking to improve your preaching ministry. I want to encourage you to check out our online course called the Power Preaching Plan. I'll walk you through an example of how to outline any sermon and make sure that you'll never get stuck again. As far as a rating go, I'd probably give it a 9.5. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, and I love it. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I think they have some great background music to choose from, and almost all of them have a modern feel to it. You can even create playlists, projects, and favorites to save you time and organize your music. Not to mention, you can even download the stems, which are kind of individual files for a lot of the songs, if you want to get that deep into it. I use it all the time, and it saves me time and raises the quality level of my videos. And I think it'll do the same for you. Now it's time to get real. Will you comment below and let me know what you've been using for music in your videos, or how you think you might use Soundstripe in your next video. And I want to encourage you to continue the conversation in one of our online communities. You can hang out with like-minded people, ask questions, be encouraged, and your question might even be answered in the next live Q&A. Make sure to hit the bell notification and keep an eye out for one of our next videos, like an electronic drum set review. Or if you want to branch off a little bit, check out one of our other channels that talks about faith and religion, or how-tos and DIYs. I hope this video was super helpful for you and that it takes the quality level of your videos to the next level with your background music. But until next time, keep it real.